Hello and welcome to NoteTender.com. My name is Lincoln and I'll be walking you through a quick tutorial of our time value tool today. There are plenty of calculators on the internet that will allow you to create an amortization schedule based on a fixed payment and interest rate and number of payments, but the time value tool is different in that it allows you to create irregular amortization, so you can add as many events as you'd like for extra payments or additional advances. And the time value tool will calculate and reflect those in the schedule. So I'll start out by entering an interest rate. Future versions of the time value tool may allow us to calculate variable rate mortgages or loans, but for now this rate's going to stay constant throughout the schedule. The next thing we want to do is ensure that the loan radio button is checked, because that's the type of event that we're doing first. And then we'll put in a date for this first event, which is a loan, and we'll say that's $200,000. And then when we're done with that event, we'll just hit Add New, and it'll bring up a new line for us to add our next event. You can see that the radio button this time is defaulted to a payment. We'll pretend like that payment is on February 1st, 2012, and I don't know the payment amount. So what I'm going to do is put in the number of those payments. I know that there are going to be 360 of them. And then I will click here, and it's going to solve for my payment. So $1,199.10 is going to be my payment amount. Those are going to start on February 1st, and they're going to go every month for 360 months. So I'll hit Add to make sure that that is saved to the schedule, and then I can hit Run Amortization. Now this is what a traditional amortization schedule will look like. All the payments are exactly the same. It's going to run all the way down until it gets to 0. And you can see that the time value tool calculates the total amount of your payments made over those 360 months, breaks down the interest and the principal. So there are a lot of places you can do that. The great thing about the time value tool is that we can go in and we can edit these events. So you can say, what if I want to pay $200 extra a month on my mortgage? So our total payment is going to be $1,399.10. Don't worry about this number. The time value tool will update that automatically for you in the schedule. So we'll hit Update and Run Amortization. Now if we scroll down, instead of 360 payments, you'll notice that the schedule ends at 252. So adding that $200 a month to our payment took almost 10 years off our mortgage, about 9 years. The other great thing is that we can add as many of these events as we'd like. So let's say that we want to make additional payments each year with our tax return for $3,000. So we'll say we'll do this on 4/15/2013. And let's say we want to apply $3,000. We're just going to do this one time. Click Add and Run Amortization. So now we'll scroll down and you can see that on April 15th, 2013, another payment of $3,000 is reflected, and it will continue to calculate our amortization. So we can go to the end of the schedule and we can see that adding that one $3,000 payment has taken about another 6 months off of our schedule. Maybe let's do that a couple more times. We'll do one on 4/15/2014 for $3,000. One of them. Click Add. And then we'll do one on 4/15/2015 for $3,000 and Add. And then we'll run our amortization, see how that looks. So we'll scroll down. The first one is in 13. You'll notice that's reflected. 2014 is reflected, and 2015 is reflected. If we scroll to the bottom of the schedule, now we're down to 236 months. We're under 10 years. So you can see how you can dynamically update an amortization schedule. You can add as many of these as you'd like. The other thing you can also do is you can delete these payments, any of them you'd like, and you can run your amortization again and see how it looks. So that's a quick overview of the time value tool. We encourage you to use it. We will be updating the site with more videos that show some more advanced uses of the time value tool. But for now, apply it to your own loans and enjoy. Thanks for watching.